Hi guys, it's Miss Chris. I am so sorry I've taken forever to get back to you guys, but I want to say happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Solstice, Happy New Year, and all the other things that I've missed so far. I want to thank all of my new subs. Welcome to my channel, and I hope that you enjoy the video content. If you'd like to see something specific from me, please do not hesitate to reach out and let me know. Today I want to talk about taking responsibility for your life and for your actions. I had a run-in, well, a little mini run-in with my former boss a couple of weeks ago, and she was talking about our previous executive director. She was dying of cancer, the previous executive director, and my boss was saying, oh, she had a hard life, and we shouldn't be too hard on her, we shouldn't be talking about her back, she had already died. And I was so tired of hearing people say in this job, oh, people had hard lives. I work in social services. I'm like a social worker. And oh, people had hard lives. Okay, I blurted out, who hasn't had a hard life? Everyone has had a hard life. But that doesn't give people the right to take out their negative thoughts, beliefs, and actions onto others. People have to take responsibility for their choices. She was choosing to be grumpy. She was choosing to be angry. She was choosing to be rageful. And my boss said, oh, well, not everyone has the ability to overcome. And I said to her, I said, no, that's incorrect. Everyone has a level of resilience. Some people's resilience is high. Some people's resilience is low. But everyone has a level of resilience. So it's a matter of tapping into your willpower to overcome, and that is your resilience. If people didn't have resilience, you wouldn't be able to get out of bed. If you didn't have resilience, you wouldn't be able to walk to your car or to the corner. That's overcoming. That's willpower. If you didn't have resilience, you wouldn't be alive today. So it's about choices. It's about making the correct choice. Now, when people are lashing out at you, and that's a choice they're making. They can make another choice and choose not to do that. What they can choose to do instead of lashing out or being angry or rageful is to say, why am I feeling like that? Why am I so angry? Why am I sad? Why do I feel depressed? Instead, it's easier for people to not look at their stuff than it is to look at the stuff. Because most people create their own misery. And when they create their own misery, they don't want to look at it. So what they do, they take drugs, they're alcoholics, and they lash out at others. So that's what you want to do. You want to always have the ability to make choices and use your resilience to overcome whatever life throws at you. Life is always going to be hard. It's about developing grace, power, self-control to ride life's roller coaster. Okay, you don't always want to be down. You want to be able to ride it. Even when life is down, you want to be able to ride it gracefully and with resilience. And when you make choices empower you. Either they can depower you or they can empower you. And that's where you always want to be. And I'm always talking about spiraling up and out, up and out, up and out. You never want to just go around and around and around and around. You always want to go up and out, up and out. How do you do that? By being conscious and aware of who you are, what you think, what you believe, and what you feel. That's true empowerment. That's true responsibility, taking responsibility for your actions, thoughts, and beliefs. That's what you want to do. You always want to be empowered. And people, oh, well, that person's had a hard life. Oh, that person's been through so much. It's almost like you want to say, so what? Who hasn't? I have. I'm pretty sure you guys have. So what? That doesn't give them the right. Stay within your square. Deal with your stuff. And then you don't have to worry about others. And if others do seem to lash out at you, what do? You stay away from them. Because they're choosing not to deal with their stuff. They're choosing to basically abuse you. That's psychological and mental, emotional abuse. When you have someone around you that's constantly yelling and screaming and taking out their issues on you, some stuff that happened to them 10, 20, 30 years ago, that's a form of abuse. And you have to get away from those people. And it might be someone you really loved. I had a situation like that where someone I really loved and cared for was taking out his stuff on me, and I had to get away from him because he was bringing me down. And I can't have that. So what do you think? Do you think people who lash out, who are angry and depressed and take out their problems on others, do you think that that's the right way to do it? Or do you think that they need to deal with whatever's bothering them, accept it, overcome it, and then move on, move up and out? Have you had problems like that before? Do you lash out at others and you don't know how to stop? Now you do. But you have to have courage. It takes a tremendous amount of courage to look at your life, look at your situation, and change it. Some people live their whole lives with no courage, no resilience, no willpower, not willing to make choices. Do you think you've been one of those people so far? Now is the time. It's a new year. Even though we're, 6 weeks into the new year, there's still time to change. As long as you're alive, you can change for the better. Okay? So let me know below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe, tell a friend, and don't forget to be the hero of your own journey. Until next time.